You know what? Most probably you have seen I have been in Amsterdam for a Vue.js conference right now. I met a bunch of cool people who gave me excellent tips how to make the workshop even better experience for you. So on 21st February, I'm doing my first workshop and I would like you to be there. We will do the most beginners-friendly workshop for the Vue Storefront ecosystem possible. We will just discuss what is Vue Storefront, how to use it, and what you get out of the box. I will see you there, and I hope you will enjoy it. By that, I mean you will enjoy it. So see you on 21st Feb. Go on our website, vuestorefront.io, register for the workshop, and we will meet there.